Alan. Thank you so much for coming to Rosliston Forestry Centre today. It's been fantastic to work with your Rolls-Royce team and see what you've achieved, and we're really impressed. And we're just wondering how it's worked out for you, what made you come, and what it looks like to you when you go back to your office as a day's work.
Yeah, so the team that's been here today is from the Turbines external supply chain team, and we've been working from home for the last 18 months. So this is the first time a lot of us have seen each other. We've also had a lot of people that have joined the team over the last 18 months and have never actually met in person before. So there's been a lot of first time introductions face to face, which has been great to finally see people in person, which has been really valuable for us as a team to really get to know each other after the last 18 months of COVID. So yeah, that was one of the big reasons why we wanted to get together, and we thought it was just really valuable to give something back to the community at the same time, and we wanted to come here to Rosliston because yeah, it's really sort of great to be able to work somewhere that is outside, inspiring, so people to be motivated by nature and science and technology, and we want to leave the place looking great for everyone else who comes here.
Oh, that's amazing, thank you. And from us at the Environmental Education Project team here at Rosliston Forestry Centre, we work with school groups and family groups, and we'll be able to show them the work that you've done on the meadow and the preparation that you've done on the Jubilee hedge, and also the large habitat walls you've started to create for us in the garden, and they'll be fantastic learning opportunities for kids and adults for a long time to come. So thank you very much for your input. It's been brilliant.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for hosting us. It's been a great day.
Magic. Thanks.